something. What that? Man, Pete, bright and beautiful morning, and you don't know I go there. But first of all, I want to say welcome back to the channel because you don't know the thing go. You see me, I say I haven't posted a video for a while. You see me? But we're there. I head out on the seaside to see if we can catch some fish in idea, do some hunting. You see me? But we want to stop at the river, you know. We get a chop. We get couple equipment from a subscriber. Father, tell big up yourself, you don't know the thing go. So this is one of them. You see when I say the chop. So we say we are going to set it see if we can catch 2 crayfish or 2 tilapia and you don't know the thing go. You see me, so Father, I tell, you know, give we a host of stuff, you know. Rods, chop and stuff. So to the idea where we are going to test them. You see what I say? Lines and you don't know where go peeps. Rigs and a lot of stuff. So we are test them out today. So as I want to say again, big thank you to Father Hartel and respect. You don't know the thing go. So peeps, yard and abroad, just keep it locked. There so we are going to set that trap here. So by we are coming in from sea, we can go so boom so and pull it up, see General Father Fox there so. Big up explore anyway him they see him where you see it. So people just go and keep it locked, man. Remember, hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment. You don't know it go. Yeah, man. Big up. Yard and abroad. Heart of love. So peeps, you see what we are doing now. We have a coconut here, so. We have a coconut. So we have the burn piece I put in the chop cause. Guess what now? You see the crayfish them, the shrimp them. That's what them like. You understand, peeps? You see anywhere them there and it burn, in the water, them smell it and come out for it. So peeps, as I say, we just have set this before we go out on it. Seaside, by we are coming back, we pull the chop so. You just stay tuned, man, and I know no want to see what I go on. You get what I say, so we out here, peeps, you see me? Yeah, man, peeps, so you see what I go on now. Coconut dip on fire, a burn. You see what I say, we have 2 pieces over there so we no burn. General there saw Bill a split for a long time. I don't see rope grabber. I get rope grabber, man.
You see that rope back of fire.
Yeah. A old man born rope grabber, you know, my general. Yeah, man, see it, eh?
I see him leaf, you know. Could get that leaf last night, so maybe just ready to say
People, I know a long time I don't see Father Fox, you know. Take on the road, I wonder if no barrage are into there. But we see, you know. Because we not stay out there long neither, you know, peeps. You see it? Yeah, man. We just do what we have to do and touch in back, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. One peeps, so that one they done burn. Come up to the next one, you know. You see me, 2 of them we done burn already. But me I wonder if we put them in a chop just so, if them are go float up to the top. Them are dead, them are drop down there. Them are sink. Alright then, so that bun, man. Remember fish nose strong and your nose, you know.
fire out them too.
Yeah, man, so Fox I go sit down the chop, you know, coconut them inside of it and everything. First thing we are trying to coconut, you know. Sometimes like breadfruit and them thing, they are chop more things like perch, you know. Like the tilapia them, but the coconut now, we are talking about crayfish and them thing there, you see me? Shrimp and them thing there. But as you don't know to crayfish not to traveler there too. You get what I say? Them is a night traveler. So we might make the chop stay overnight if anything as well. You get me? So set him down. Float them, float, man. You want them a bun float. Crayfish them a stay up, shrimp them a stay up on top. I don't know them gonna sing too. Yeah man peeps, I don't know if you can see what go on. But the chop is set there so. See what I say? So as I say, when we are coming back, then time that we are pull the chop. Yeah man people, so now that the chop set, when you don't know the thing go, we are going to touch out on the sea because see what we can catch. So we do it before we touch on the seaside, yeah? Stop and grab all and 2 beverage to drink. Don't know where go. See me? Yeah man, up at top.
2 of them bull on it. Just gonna work, you know.
That's a eating of peeps. How about this fire? Give me general.
Yeah.
Alright that.
Smallest line this hour. What is it like? See them right there, sir? My box. Oh. My pound testing. Smallest one, 15. Next one now.
Yeah man, so peeps now talk to the man, master, the man out for rush me, you see it? Yeah man, so just show you a general do him work, you know? Tie up in fish pot, you know? We are pass through. So I go on fishing village with the peeps, so I don't know where come down man. Heart of love. And peeps so we are go over in the bush you know. But look some soldier crab, you see it? The people know them as hermit crab. We call them soldier crab a yard. See, on this location, you know, people, when we look soldier crab, them soldier crab are not very big, you know. You find 1 and 2 big one, but the smaller one, them alright, see a nice size on your peeps. See what I go on? So, see what can go on now, peeps. See, peeps, most of the small one, you know. They them size, they may too small. Sometimes when you move some places, you know, you butt them up, you know. Small thing, yeah. Oh, up in there so we have to go. Fox, we have to go up further and bush, you know. Yeah, man. So we are telling our peeps. See one, yeah. Yeah man, Fox just show me, but I just show you camouflage. Them camouflage, you know, peeps. Show them have the looks of the leaves sometimes and then in some place. You step up past them or step on them, you know. Yeah man. Official parrot bait. You see me? Watch it again now, peeps. See me? One that, you know. And next one and next. See them camouflage? Yeah man. Put that one the way box look well.
Yeah, so yeah. The next one, this one, I need to stick that, sir.
See we find
See some more in this, a couple of them.
Yeah, man. So people, may lock off the camera and pick them up. So when we finish now, we make on see what go on. Yeah man, peeps, so we finish hunting soldier crab come out of the bush. You see me? So we are head to fishing here now. Don't know the thing go, peeps. Yeah man. See it there? Live and lived in colors. And so peeps, when you see that small school of fish, yeah man, Fox said them name white fries, you know. Them hide in a shallow from like, you know, the jack and the local snap of them, you know. Some small barra as well, you know. So them a seek refuge. I mean I tell us a whole heap of them peeps up there. Then get big.
Then I get big.
For them size that.
Biggest time I get around them.
Oh, I know eating fish, man.
Bait.
Oh. Alright peeps, so we are head on, you know. Don't know where come down. Yeah man peeps, so we reach on the rock, you know. Seems like a beautiful day out for out fishing. You get what I say? Yeah man, the water kind of bouncy. But as Foxy that say, them weather are the pink parrot and the blue boy them like so. I come out on some mountain, you know? Yeah man. You be if you set that? Alright, yes, that's a grab a bait quick and fast. Alright peeps, so out here with the step out on them, you know, with the peeps, that's it. Heart of love, man. Yard and abroad. That's it. Good lookout. You see me? Yeah, man. Peeps, so this is the machine I'm going to use today. You get what I say? I guess this is about 6 foot. You get what I say? Yeah, man. Alright, you know? Yeah, man. Peeps, see it there? Nice machine, you know? Yeah, man. So, respect the father I tell, you know? Yeah, man. See the peeps? Test him today for the first time, so you know, I see what go on, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. I'm going to use it and I use it online as well. You get what I say? But I'm going to use the rod as a set line, so I set it. Yeah? So, stay tuned, peeps, keep it locked, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Yeah man peeps, so we get some other accessories, sorry about that. You know? Go and try out a few of them in the course of the day, yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah man. See the peeps? I don't know why I'm come like say I'm seawater catch these, so I'm a bit rust, but I get them clean. You know what I'm saying, peeps? So see the peeps? I want to try out a few of these in the course of the days. You see what I say? Yeah man. I don't know where to go, you know. We get them and share them up, you know. And we get some hooks as well, see them peeps. So but we already share up the hooks them as well. You get what I say? Meet between me and Fox and Explore. You know, we just share up everything. Make it happen, you know? You don't know I got peeps from day one. So, I want to say a big respect again, you know, to Father Artel, you know what I mean? Yeah man. So, we test out the thing them to the peeps, so keep it locked, man. You know what I mean? Yeah man, yard and abroad, pick up on yourself. Yeah man, peeps. Yeah man, the first catcher makes sense since here, you know. Yeah man, a blue parrot, you know. In color change, but it's a blue parrot. Down there. Let me take the hook out and mount the peeps, hold him up, I can see what I go on. Nice one man. I'm still active, just come out of the water. See it, him a kill me with flash. I want to see man. Alright peeps, see him a go on. Alright, we have a remedy for him man, you know. Show me only I can use one of my hand them. You know? But we have a remedy man. See the peeps? Well look, you know. Yeah. Boom. And guess what I do with the pliers? Bend up the hook, you know. Come on peeps, him well look. Well look. But you as me tell her one hand me for use, me have to use. Yeah man, see the peeps, him well look. But see me peeps. Nice blue boy, you know. Yeah man. Show him getting serious I catch them. Them don't really make no sense still, but you see me? See hold something?
Yeah.
Alright, Fox, him hold something jack.
Yeah.
Yeah man, see him that come in. Yeah man. Nice blue run I look like peeps. Yeah man. Whoa! That is it and we are about to move look while you know peeps. Set him on the barrel line same time.
You know, like this fish now have something like this.
Yeah, man, hold on there. Yeah, man, peeps. See me? Yeah, man. Nice, buyer. Explore. If you're there, I'm know it and catch something already too. See it, peeps. Nice, nice. Drop. Blue runner. Take him out of the sun, you know? Yeah, man. So you come like say the spell broke, you know. Yes, peeps. Outside with the peeps. We never get to throw up back my line again and Fox say hold him again. Jack again. Yeah. Like a bit that in jump off. See him up on top, see him way.
I want to open up on the barrel line down. I want to open up on the barrel line down.
Judge, I know you talk too quick again. Come like a bed of them out there. And then we can throw out the sitting there, you know. But they're not going to attack you if it's too big. Too big. You see me? I have something in my case of the jack, you know, I try. I try. Yeah, man, perps. Fox grab a gold tail. I did busy so I couldn't catch it on camera, but a nice gold tail, huh? Boy, them down there, man. Boy, them dead, peeps. Boy, them dead. Yeah, man, father Fox. That's a cool in a bro, J. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, paper, so another blue parrot. You don't know what go down. You know, joke around here, man. See my peeps? Another blue one. Yeah, man, fresh from water, same way. That one here, the hook not really stuck down in my mouth that time still, you know? Peeps, blue parrot, you know? You walk now, you might have said, me I call him blue parrot, but him no look blue, but you see when him just come out of the water. Yeah, man, him blue, you know? But see the pink and blue in there, you know, so nice one, people, even nicer than the first one. You see me? See it there? So thank you, Ja, for another one. Yeah, man, Fox a gilding up him line to get a heavier sinker. We out here, people. We don't really test none of the hooks them there so yet. You get them answer because most of them hook here for night time, you know? Yeah, man, so you don't know I go, peeps, you see me? Yeah, man, keep it locked, man. Yard and abroad, big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Outside. Yeah, man. Then I string up him string, you know? Yes, I am. So I go on there.
Nah, left nothing to there.
Pilot them now. Yeah, what we are going to do with them now, peeps? We save them, count them off Christmas Day. Who have the most pilot for Christmas Day get a big prize, you know? Yeah, man, what want to say about that? Well, I'm big pot of pilot so.
White.
White. Yeah, man, so see you dance string the peeps?
Yeah. Fuck it down, you know?
Yeah, man, peep, Fox, hold another one, you know?
Snapper.
Eh? Snapper? Yeah, man, bring him up, every people don't see him. Yeah. Nice, God bless, you know? Nice, God bless.
Hook up a nice one out. Nice one out.
You know, turn out so bad after all, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, remember say, after a long break from sea, they are back out here try, you know? So, nice to go, God bless, you know? Yeah, man, peeps. So, Fox hook another one. Yeah, though. So, the guy there go. You see him? See, guy, oh, I back I parrot him there when come. Alright, peep, me I try to catch a guard there, you see it? We can't fast. Fox just hook the parrot here. Yeah, man, people, as me tell them I come out and test the rod today. I don't really do no fishing with it still in the peeps, cause I don't know. this seems like it's more of a night sea or deep sea rod, you know, some bigger fish, because like some fish certain size them can't bend this rod there, you know. You get what me I say? Come on, as I take a look on Fox one. Fox is a all purpose, you know. Same way. So half pound can bend it, make you see say, yeah. You get what me I say? But we out here people and kinda run out of bait now. So we are go out. We are go check the chopper now we set at the river before we come out here, you see me? Yeah man, so we are go back across on the land and go check it, you know. Yeah man, we out here and we need some water as well. Don't know the thing, man. So not. But viewer, subscriber, we there, man, you see me? Yeah man, we don't know the thing, man. Long time we not come out and do it for no same way, you see me? Yeah, than a broad man, big up on yourself always, man. Heart of love, all heap of respect, all heap of blessings. We don't know. You see it? Yeah man, see it, the peeps? Nice day out, done. Talk to it now. Yeah man. So here we are now. As we say, we are touch out on the land. Go check the chopper now. So let's keep it locked. Yeah man, peeps.
Look, we see line on the jam, so I say, yeah man.
A 2 for 1 deal, listen up. Yeah man. Look them on 2 yard. You say I throw off a 2 yard. I like them out there. Yo!
Alright now.
You ready? Yeah. Watch out peeps. Jaja. Yeah man. Good look before, you know. We step off of the sea. But 2 of me still like the guard of them out there. You get what I say? So, I take one. You have more bait to throw out there, sir? I take one more throw with the sitting and see if them and pick you up. Meanwhile, I pack up peeps. You see it? Yeah, man. 2 for 1. Yeah, man, my peeps. So, somebody look catch a feed here, you know. 2 nice parrot. 1 pilot and I'll drop off like in the ready for them on the street.
Good thing in a beer.
And 2 guards, so you know what we are going to do here now? We are going to land, go set the trap. I want to see fox sketch too, you know, peeps, because we don't know anything going on. We are going to make you see fox sketch, so then we touch out the land. So people keep it locked, yeah? Yeah, man. Come on, peeps, and see fox sketch, yeah? Lovely, you know? To see it, you know, man. Gold tail, though. Gold tail, 2 gold tail. And a jack, snapper, couple pilot still, but you don't know, you know. In a game, pilot soap, you see it?
That may I tell them.
Yeah, man, we are going to make a famous. We are make a famous pilot soap an idea them make you see, you see it? Famous pilot soap, because them a fish too. So people we are run Garland, you know, we don't do what we have to do, so keep it locked, you hear? Yeah, man. And people, so reach out back on the road, you know. Fox I go check him pot, you know. There's something I've been there. Alright. We now go see. We are going to see you know. Peeps. You don't say. We should have faith. I have dry pot, man. I have to catch everything, you know, man. So we reach back on location, you know. You see me? So you say you don't see no? Eh? You don't see nothing in there? You have to dry if it's swag, man. You want to say faith, man, and you give up already?
Yes, I give up for one.
You say faith and strong mind, you know, man. You see something on the coat not for true. Right. Fox. The good saying say the fisherman who join fish pot early catch no fish, you know. But we don't see nothing in there.
That's why I'm ready.
Like you want flat somewhere.
Yeah.
Flat you want flat, that's you see me? The fish say if you set this something up under this still no fox. Yeah.
So
get the hook at it and but people are gonna say nothing in our trap, so we are set it overnight and come dry it a morning, is it? So we will go for the hook at it and then we set it, is it? So keep it locked. Yeah man, so fox I go dry it up Take it up and make the people them see what I go on. Say really empty. One janga we see. What? Oh, I quote that.
One janga in the man, close to one janga.
I quote that chick when me see sitting flash. You see me? Peeps come like them fish are not used to them type of living here, you know. And you can set it all. Yeah.
Peeps, I tell you man, boy, scratch our made come like you catching a bait. No crayfish, no janga, no perch, nothing.
So we are set it overnight. One janga and catching a chop in the peeps, but we set it up under the bush, so by tomorrow morning we are making see what go on. And we must see a better result. You see it?
I'll load tonight, man.
Alright then, we don't go on a yield, no go there go eat out with crayfish, man. You see it?
If you go in there, we have to go eat him, if you eat food, you know.
Alright then.
I tell you.
See him so. So people, keep it locked, man. Yeah man, my beautiful people, so we come to the end of another video. You see it? Yeah man. Wasn't a bad day out because we not complain, you see it? And if you reach this far in the video, remember, you know, leave a like. That's why I say hit the notification bell. You get to me I say, we're out here and ready to give back on some adventure. So, heart of love, you know, man, you hard and a beard big up on yourself. Yeah man. Until next time, keep it locked. So I say, make you hear what Father Fox have to say. Right now, fish pot get trash. See, I'm not check here.
So
you say I go on. You say you feel in the morning like sitting go on feet. Out there, you know, man.
full sitting go on feet. Sleep one night, you know.
Top of the morning, viewer, subscribers. So we're there now. You know we are going to check the chopper now, you know, people. You see me? So it's there overnight. So I hope something go on, is it? So you see what I go on. Oh, you look there. Yeah man, people, so check it crayfish pot now, man, you know? See what I go on. Alright. I said no. Nothing like nothing go on, Fox.
Can't draw nothing, man, you know. That must stroke. Probably something I feel in there, man.
There's something I feel in there?
Something.
What? What that?
Like mudfish.
One crayfish.
Crayfish in there?
One long giant, I see.
I tell you something I feel in there, man.
And one mudfish. The jungle in there yesterday. Two local jungle.
Mudfish name them, man.
Mudfish name them? People, we are bringing you up a land, I'm going to see what go on here, man.
Mudfish name them, man.
Bring you up a land. I know crayfish, it's a long giant. And at least give a look who up to set it back, peeps.
I'm name them, you know. The mudfish name them, you know.
The jungle them?
Yeah.
Well, you know where you might go get.
You never get name, man.
You never forget name. I get name, man. So people, yeah, him name them for true, you know. See all in our mouth, the same way, you see it?
No, that might tell us him name them, man.
So what this, you think you could have pulled this and sit?
No cut. You know, have a cut him, man. Remember, I knew something, man.
Look there. You see that, peeps?
Yeah, see all one in our mouth,
Yeah,
right?
man,
See the
see
same, man. I'm name them, man.
No, I'm fat one in here, I now watch in our belly, see my
That
peeps.
might tell her.
Yeah, man. So that means this you can use. See my people? Nice size one, you know. That means you can't use sitting there them. This can't use catch a chop, we beat them.
Shake him down to his side, man.
Can't take a class from here in the morning, man.
Something cut it though.
Where?
Something cut it pattern there, bottom, my dog.
Where?
See it on the other side.
So we catch couple janga and the fish name them, so I know nothing that still. So see it there? At least you catch look of food, you know? But if you're looking at that one in your belly, you know, you see say yo. Yeah, man. See it there?
Boy.
Nyam there. They will see if we can enjoy him, but no, he might die just. Big one, you know? I see him sitting there, man. Yeah, man, see the peeps? Yeah, man, but that's good, man. Set him back still. But wonder, should I bring something? If we didn't know, say, something. Tear down here so we could bring it, but I don't think that I will affect it still. Your visa?
All right.
Set him back. Visa, set him back.
I need to quote that there. Oh, you don't know. I set him back up and over there, sir.
So see the people we get out there. See this is that digest, you know. See that? I mean, pipe water, man. So on. So see the people we beat up at the chop, you know, we put some boiled breadfruit and 1 plum and 2 dumplings in it plus the coconut. So I don't know if we set it and dry it, look more in the evening or we are dry tomorrow morning. What you feel, sir? What you feel, sir?
Anything, man.
You see me?